Okay, so I just reinitialized the prime. When the heater's powered down, you hit OK and then down at the same time. It'll come up with H off. Then you hit the up key and it'll flash H on. And basically what that does is run the fuel pump through a cycle to prime the whole system. No fan or glow plug, just for priming purposes. And let me find it. There it is. Probably see it in the dark. Not that you're that interested in watching bubbles go through a plastic line, but I'm pretty excited. This is going to be for camping and just general outdoorsy stuff. I've got it mounted, not ideally, it's sideways, like if you're a gangbanger homie, like Bang Bang, shooting at your neighbors over the brick wall or fence, so. That's all I got.